In this video, let's understand the basics of Git. Let's assume that you have a company, okay, and you have 3 developers, and you people have a mobile application, okay, and few users are using your application. This is your application which users use, okay. This is the main branch, okay. Your employees in the company, let's take that they are Dhoni, Kohli, and Rohit. Okay, these 3 are your developers in this case. Okay, you might be filthy rich, by the way. Okay, so these take the copy of your project, of the company's project, and work on creating the updates. Okay, so these form parallel branches of the project. These branches are not used by users. Only the main branch is used by the user. After they create their own updates, you verify all the 3 updates in this case and feel that Dhoni's update is quite useful at the present moment. And then you merge the update to the main branch. You merge the update to the main branch. Earlier it was version 0, now it is version 1. Okay, that is a change, an update merged to the main branch creates a new version, and your users get a message that the app has been updated. Please reinstall to install the updates. Okay, so after this V1, within a week or so, you felt the need to update the app again, and you again checked the previous updates and you cross-checked Kohli's and Rohit's updates, and then you found out their update should be merged again to the main branch right now. And then Dhoni sir's update is already present, and now you update these 2 updates to the main branch. These 2, and you form version 2. Again, your users install the version 2, you reinstall and download the updates, and after some time there's a new recruit. Okay, let's name him Hardik. He joined your team and he took your copy and he is working on an update, and then he somehow, even if there are many errors in his update, he somehow managed to make his update enter to the main branch. Okay, and now after this becomes V3, users, when they download, they find the app has many glitches. Okay, technically the app isn't functioning that well, and then users start complaining about the app, and immediately what you do, you remove version 3, and as you have the copy of version 2, okay, you have the individual copy of version 2, version 1 and every update. Okay, you just remove version 3 and probably fire Hardik for what he did, and simply go back to version 2 and again get back to perfect state. Okay, so this happens in real world also, but the difference is, in a project there won't be 3 to 4 developers. In a real project there would be many developers, okay, and a single main branch, and every branch needs to be tracked. Every update, every change needs to have a solid information of what branch is doing, where it is being committed, who is maintaining that branch, who is working on a particular update, and only when everything is being tracked, you can maintain a healthy main branch which is used by the users. Everything what we did here is maintained by few softwares, is done by few softwares which are called version control systems. these manage, these track, and these control the versions of a software. So these are called version control systems, and Git is an example of version control system. So basically, the small difference between Git and GitHub is Git is installed locally on your machine, and you use command prompt to access Git. It is in your machine, but GitHub is maintained by Microsoft, and it is a cloud-based platform. It is a GUI, that is graphical user interface, that is you have buttons and options so you can clearly see what's going on. But in Git, it is in your local machine. You need to directly type commands to access it. So that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.